It's a great day for a drive for a 2022 EcoSport SE in diamond white with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a swing gate. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a moonroof as well as navigation, reverse camera, and so many more features. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your passenger seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel has on the face of it the dash controls, cruise control, volume with hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On your dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have the menu. So there's trip 1, trip 2, reset all values, configure view, and back around again. And these all have sub-menus. In the center, you've got this nice display screen, and right now it's got a cover on it. That's why you're seeing the red line. And when we go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We also have navigation, so that map will come up for us. And as well, when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So that's the center line, the dotted line there, green, yellow, red, is how close other objects or vehicles are when you're going in reverse. And then it's going to put us back into park. We can go home by hitting the little house, and that'll bring us back to our options. We can go into settings and slide through. There's your Bluetooth, navigation, phone, general, vehicle display. You can actually dim that if you wanted to. Your Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and your ambient lighting. Your volume and tuner, hazard lights. There's your fan, heated seats for driver and passenger, and the digital climate control, AC and max AC, your front and rear defrost, auto stop start for less idle time, traction control, a couple of USB outlets, as well as your 12-volt automatic select shifter, and you've got your emergency parking brake. Your ambient lighting is that little rings in your cup holders. Your armrest opens up. You've got a little bin just below, and as well you can take this bin out. Lots of room down there, and we'll pop that back in. Off to the side is your glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and we have a power moonroof. So you just press that and open it right up. Beautiful blue skies, and the screen that goes across is manually drawn across if you want to control the light and air. And then you've got a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body color door handle with intelligent access. So that means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. There's a windshield wiper in the rear, and your backup camera's below the Ford badge. And then when you're ready and you want to open up that back, there is the handle. It's a swing gate. See the little arrows? Just press on the button, it'll open it easily for you. Got a nice tonneau cover, and you also have 2 levels to your floor. So this just pulls open, and as you can see, there's those tabs, and then underneath is where your funnel would be. And then when you're ready to close it all up, you just swing the door closed, and then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. They're seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You bring the head down, rest down by pushing the button, and then push the button on the side of the seat, and it'll bring it right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You've got a nice little tonneau cover. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push, and it'll go right back up into the upright position. Flip up the headrest. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You have carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and a 110 outlet below. There's a moonroof in the front, hooks and handles, as well as lighting in the rear. In the rear, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, blind spot information system in the side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.